Purewave pipe cleaner. Pipes on vessels with vacuum toilets are highly susceptible for buildup of urine scale and fat. When urine scale and fat build up inside the pipes, the diameter is reduced. Current solutions often involves using products that are harmful to marine life. Purewave pipe cleaner only uses biodegradable ingredients that do not harm marine life. Purewave pipe cleaner's unique formula contains no harmful chemicals, is marine life friendly, removes urine scale, dissolves fat, and prevents clogging of pipes. Purewave pipe cleaner, the environmentally friendly alternative.